Hi children. Now I'm going to discuss you about the digestion. There are two types of digestion, mechanical and chemical digestion are there. Okay. Before that, we want to know the definition of digestion. What do you mean by digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking down of food particles into smaller pieces. Okay, so you can say breaking down big food particles into small food particles. Okay, that's called digestion. What is the definition of this digestion? Breaking down of big food particles that you eat into the small particles. Okay, breaking of food particles into smaller pieces, that process is called digestion. Now the digestion are of two types, mechanical and chemical. Okay, mechanical and the chemical. From the name itself, you know that mechanical digestion means the process of breaking down of food by using some movements. Okay, mechanical. Okay, it's breaking down happening mechanically. Here it's happening mechanically with the help of some movements in our body. Okay, for example, here you can see teeth. If you are putting your food into your mouth, the teeth helps that food to bite and chew, right? If you are taking in any of the food, first what will you do? You will start biting and chewing of that food. Okay, that is called mechanical digestion. Okay, most of the mechanical digestion, the major part of the mechanical digestion happens inside your mouth itself with the help of the teeth. Okay, biting and chewing. So next mechanical digestion happening with the help of muscle movements. Okay, this is another movement with the help of muscles in your body. For example, if you are chewing the food in your mouth, if you are chewed it, what will happen? You will swallow it, that food through your food pipe, right? There is a muscle movement called peristalsis to move your food from your mouth to stomach, right? So that muscle movement also included in the mechanical digestion. So all kinds of movements that helps breaking down of food into smaller pieces are called mechanical digestion. Now if you are looking the chemical digestion, you can see the name chemical. Chemicals means you know that some of the enzymes and chemicals itself, okay, like acids and everything. So the chemicals that helps in digestion, okay, the chemicals that helps in the breakdown of heavy food particles into smaller pieces are called chemical digestion. Like for example, saliva in your mouth, okay, saliva in your mouth. And enzymes, okay, saliva and enzymes and acids, okay, acids in the stomach. So saliva, enzymes and acids, these all we can say as chemical. Okay, this all we can say as chemicals. So these like chemicals helping the breakdown of heavy particles into smaller pieces are called chemical digestion. Okay, chemicals and enzymes, with the help of chemicals and enzymes. Okay, breaking down of food with the help of chemicals and enzymes can be called as chemical digestion. Did you understand mechanical digestion and chemical digestion? What is the difference? Mechanical digestion include the movements of body parts and the muscle movements, okay, that helps in digestion. Here the chemicals and enzymes that helps in digestion. So mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Now what are the important steps in the digestion? Okay, what are the important steps in the digestion? The first one is ingestion. Okay, the first one is ingestion. From the name itself, it indicates that in, the word in. You can see here the word in. Okay, in means taking in. You are taking in the food. Okay, you are taking in the food. First you are putting the food into your mouth. That's called ingestion. Okay, that process is called ingestion. Then of course digestion. Second one is digestion. Digestion we already told here. What is digestion? Breaking down of large food particles into smaller pieces. Okay, that's called digestion. Okay, that's called digestion. Next one is absorption. After digestion, what will happen? We want to absorb, okay, all the nutrients into our blood. Then only it can be used. Okay, then only we can get the energy. Then only we can keep healthy. So absorption. Okay, absorbing the nutrients into the blood, that's called absorption. The particles absorbing into the blood. Okay, the vitamins and minerals are absorbing into the blood, that's called absorption. Then the absorption and assimilation actually. Okay, absorption and assimilation. Then the last step is ingestion. Of course, removing the undigested food, means the waste particles. Okay, we are removing our waste particles outside the body, that's called ingestion. Okay, again, first process ingestion, taking in food. Digestion, breaking the food into smaller pieces. Then absorption, the absorbing vitamins and minerals into the blood. Ingestion, removing the undigested food or removing the waste particles from our body. These are the main steps of the digestion. Okay, so these are the things. Now we can discuss about more about the process of digestion.